you're now how far out from your surgery?
3 weeks and 1 day.
And what was it like for you?
The surgery was amazing. People were helpful at every step of the way. I was nervous and anxious, and everyone was just so, I don't know, upbeat and just very reassuring every step of the way. And I felt I was in very competent hands and just saw the professionalism and skill at every level.
And how did the rehab go?
Rehab has been a lot better than I thought. Of course, it's a little bit, hurts a bit with pushing it, but I've come a lot farther than I thought I would in 3 weeks.
And did you use the machine?
Absolutely.
What did you think of that?
It's a little tough to get used to at night at first, but I found it was very helpful, and I was very pleased to have it.
Can you show us what kind of motion you have with your knee now? This is 3 weeks?
Yeah. I can go up like that, and
Wow.
I can push it a little further, but that hurts up in here. But, yeah.
So for 3 weeks, that really is very good. So you've clearly done the work. How about pain medications? Were you taking a lot of narcotics with that?
I took minimal amount of narcotics for 3 days, and then cut back to the ibuprofen and the acetaminophen. And right now I'm down to just one ibuprofen first thing in the morning and at night.
Yeah, that's great.